Ever pondered the mystery of how toxins can infiltrate your body in ways you've never imagined? Today, we're going to unveil 7 surprising pathways that these harmful substances can use to sneak past your defenses. Buckle up for a journey into the world of unseen threats and the simple solutions to keep them at bay. First on our list, food. That's right, your favorite snacks, fruits, or even that healthful salad can carry toxins. Pesticides, preservatives, and artificial additives are common culprits. How do you safeguard against this? Opt for organic produce, cook at home often, and avoid processed foods. Second, bodily contact. From the soap you use to the clothes you wear, toxins can seep into your skin. Even your favorite cosmetics might harbor harmful chemicals. Prevention? Choose products with fewer chemicals and more natural ingredients. Next, we have the air we breathe. From vehicle exhaust to industrial emissions, toxins are constantly floating around us. Even indoor air isn't safe, with toxins emanating from furniture, carpets, and paints. The solution? Keep your living spaces well ventilated, use air purifiers, and surround yourself with air-purifying plants. Our fourth entry might surprise you. Sex. Yes, toxins can be transmitted sexually. Latex in condoms, chemicals in lubricants, and even hormones in birth control can introduce toxins. Switch to natural alternatives when possible, and always prioritize safety. Fifth on our list, bodily fluids. A cut? A scrape? Toxins can enter your bloodstream directly through these broken skin barriers. Always clean wounds thoroughly and use bandages to prevent exposure. Sixth, your environment. From the water you drink to the ground you walk on, toxins are everywhere. Heavy metals in water, chemicals in cleaning products, even radiation from electronic devices can be harmful. Use water filters, natural cleaning products, and limit exposure to electronics. Our final entry, stress. Yes, stress. It can trigger your body to produce toxins internally. Regular exercise, meditation, and adequate sleep can help manage stress levels and keep those internal toxins at bay. In summary, toxins can infiltrate your body through food, bodily contact, air, sex, bodily fluids, your environment, and even stress. But fear not. By opting for organic foods, using natural products, keeping your environment clean, managing stress, and prioritizing safety, you can significantly reduce your exposure to these unseen threats. Remember, knowledge is the first step to prevention. Stay informed, stay healthy.